Welcome to Woldside Classic and Sports Car, where today we're delighted to offer to you this 1968 Land Rover Series 2 short wheelbase station wagon. The car is in beautiful condition, finished in mid-grey with a cream safari top and black vinyl trim. Fully restored and preserved, having just 4 previous owners from new and showing an indicated 42,000 miles. Unfortunately, we cannot guarantee this, but we believe it to be genuine. As you look around the car, you'll see the quality of the restoration done by a well-renowned local Land Rover specialist to us a number of years ago and been cared for since. Must be the best colour combination and the best model, especially with this safari top. As you come around the rear, you'll see the black chassis there. It's a new galvanised chassis which has been painted black. The vehicle's had a full bulkhead replacement. Underneath, it is as good as it is on top. Looking down the offside now, you'll see the wheels. They've got radial tyres on, which wouldn't have been standard. The vehicle has got some other modifications, i.e. the parabolic springs, which you can see there, and gas shockers. This safari top has not been restored. It's original. It has not been painted. All the vents inside work, and it is in lovely condition. Coming around the front, you see the Series 2A with the internal LED lamps, external door hinges. The paintwork around the rivets is as there should be. Gleaming paintwork, original registration number, and the original steel mesh grille. Coming down the offside now, you see the wheels all in great condition, these radial tyres. Paintwork probably better than when it was new. Side steps, there's a rear step also. Just in lovely condition all round. Nice detail under the wheel arches. It is as new underneath as it is on top. Nicely preserved and restored. There's those gas shockers and these parabolic springs. Details around the axle. Looking up at the floor pans and the chassis. Under the bonnet, the detail is as good as on the outside. The lovely gleaming paintwork onto the bulkhead and the inner wings. All the wiring renewed. The engine finished in this original duck egg blue. It has had a new carburettor. Modifications form of an alternator, the Land Rover one you see there, and also an iTorque starter motor for everyday use. As we take you into the interior of the vehicle, we'll go in the rear first. You'll see the vehicle's a 7-seater. Again, the detailing around the door surrounds and the door frames. No corrosion anywhere. I believe the door panels to be original. There we go. The seats, all the vinyl in good condition. The headlining on the Safari top and the surrounds there, all original, all in good order. Doesn't need anything doing to it. All the vents are working, the roof vents. The windows all slide, and the paintwork detailing carries on even on the base of the seats. The seats fold up and the retaining straps are there. Underneath the floor covering, same shiny paintwork. Which extends to the bulkhead behind the seats. All the tools are behind these things. You'll notice for modern safety, it's got a pair of inertia seat belts. So we take you into the near side front. Again, the seats are all in perfect condition, as is everything on this vehicle. Detailing around the seats, around the seat frames, the door frames, and the door cards. Shows you the quality of this vehicle. You'll notice a Smith's heater there. Twin wiper motors, the black dashboard, all fully restored and gleaming. The floor shines the same as it does on the outside. Everything has been attended to on this vehicle. If we take the rubber Land Rover mat out, you'll see underneath there the same shiny mid-grey paintwork. As we come round to the offside, the driver's side, again, all the trim in great condition. The bulkhead has been renewed. Shiny paintwork underneath the pedal box there. The pedals being used, a little bit of rust or just scratching on the base of them. Same shiny paintwork on the floor and across the transmission tunnel. Everything works. We'll take you down the road in a few moments just to show you it on the road. Although it is a great vehicle to show, it's also a great vehicle to enjoy. Again, the original headlining and trim. So if you are interested in one of these, this vehicle could be the one for you. It costs a lot more to restore than we're asking for this. Give us a call on 01507 606 725 or visit the website woldsideclassics.co.uk. Thank you. I'm going to give you a bus down the road in this beautiful Series 2A Land Rover, 1968, 50-year-old, fully restored, in beautiful condition. Not like the quick as you can imagine. Everything's working. Lovely presented inside and out. The roof line and the sun visors and the roof vents are all original on the Safari top. All the Safari top vents work. All the windows slide. Out, that's out of the work. Although this has got these parabolic springs and the gas dampers, which improve things a lot. Straight down and brakes well. No signal on first or second, so it's a big clutch you go down the box if you don't give it time, or double clutch. But everything's beautiful. All the paintwork inside the cab is as good as on the outside. All the doors, new bulkheads, heating there. Driving quite well. So if you are interested, have a look at all the photos on the website, woldsideclassics.co.uk, and give us a call on 01507 606 725.